Niruo neema hamwe na ruhonge rungania wa magoti guku bururi-ini ni cikumithiitio ni kiria kwirikanite ati ni kugonderera wira-ini wao na makiria uthurimi-ini wa kuingirio kwa indo citakinyitie ikiro guku bururi-ini. O hindi yo ni mokirirwo kana ni kwirikana ati ni kugonderera na makiria hari gukinyaniria itua riria riakikinyanirio ria guthukangia cukari na uria wakoretwo ukiingirio guku bururi-ini na njira ya ngungo na uria utagikinyaniire kuria gicukiro-ini kia mombatha.
Containers that are here, the 49 number, there is a set of them which is about 20 number of containers which has been lying here for the last 19 years, which landed here in 2004. Those are very clear and the regulations are very clear that once the commodity is being condemned, it should only find 30 days to be within these premises. And having lasted for 19 good years, then our investigation is to know who was sleeping on his job and why this has taken too long.
We've been given an example of neema delaying the process, and when they finally come and give the method of destruction, some of the methods of destructions are not maybe available in country, or if they are, we are not able to do all the quantities at the same time. Perhaps the only thing that maybe has not happened is to put punitive measures when officers of government decide not to follow the law. And that is a matter that perhaps within our committee we will take up to ensure that where there is laxity, then the person responsible is called to account.